For the past 5,000 years, Chinese medicine has been the guardian for Chinese people to stay healthy and propagate. KO DA Pharmaceutical Company inherits several thousand years of precious experience and persists on the philosophy of science, honesty, innovation to make Chinese herbal medicine become more safe, consistent, and effective through quality control using modern technology pharmaceutical facilities. In order to reinforce the quality and management system, KO DA Pharmaceutical Company introduced ISO 9001 progressively and promotes TQM from the year 2000 to pursue for distinguished achievements. Through the participation of all TQM members, KO DA considers the customer requirement as core task and commits an overwhelming satisfaction to customers' expectations. Applying an innovative strategy and systematic methodology to continuously improve quality and service, KO DA has been awarded many national prizes by government and academic experts, such as National Award of Small and Medium Enterprises, Industrial Sustainable Excellence Award, and Industrial Technologic Advancement Award, which represents the highest honors of Taiwan's small and medium enterprises. Safety control of Chinese medicine is one of the most important subjects among KO DA's quality assurance. KO DA realizes the commitment of guarding public health by strictly controlled 16 main procedure examinations. Misuse of Chinese herb species is the most serious issue that affects product efficacy and safety. Thus, organizational microscopic identification, DNA molecular identification, and fingerprint analysis are employed to authenticate and sift the most correct raw material. KO DA uses high-performance liquid chromatography to analyze the effective contents and harmful substances such as aflatoxin and aristolochic acid. For safety considerations, KO DA set up the serial-type gas chromatography mass spectrometry to analyze multiple pesticide residues in both raw materials and finished products. Inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometer (ICP) is used to detect arsenic, cadmium, mercury, copper, and other heavy metal residues. Sulfur dioxide test and essential oil content inspection analysis are also included. Our lab has passed the authentication of ISO 17025 International Standard Testing Laboratory from Taiwan Accreditation Foundation. It is also accredited by Chinese Medicinal and Cosmetic Laboratory of Food and Drug Administration, Department of Health, which is a great encouragement for KO DA's ability of examination and analyzing. KO DA strictly controls every process during production with the standard of traditional Chinese medicine GMP and ISO 9001 in order to provide the product with the highest quality. All the herbal raw material has been completely washed to get rid of any other impurities. KO DA is the leading company to introduce high-tech extraction equipment with automatic MMI, strictly controlled temperature, time, and water volume to stably manage the active components in every batch of medicine. The filtrate is condensed into extracts by low temperature and vacuum technology. The qualified extracts are sprayed into particles to make the active components completely covered inside with fluid bed spray granulator and achieve the effectiveness, consistency, and stability of medicine quality. To ensure the medicine is not cross-contaminated, CIP Auto System is applied to clean equipment. KO DA also effectively reduces the carbon emission and acquired ISO 14064 certification of greenhouse gas inventory as the leader among all other pharmaceutical companies. To satisfy customer requests, KO DA offers various forms of drugs, such as granules, capsules, tablets, pills, ointments, and so on. Products are filled, tagged, printed, and covered with dye at the same time under an automatic packaging process. Every product has a patented second-generation barcode to provide complete traceability for quick retrospect query. Research and development and innovation are the keys to long-term motivation and success for an enterprise. In 2001, KO DA established the R&D Center to devote to scientific traditional Chinese medicine, food supplement, and nature's skincare products. The R&D teams even devote into government, industry, academic joint projects more aggressively and have gained the subsidies and technical support from the Ministry of Economic Affairs, Technology Division, and other units. We also cooperate with National Taiwan University, Taipei Medical University, National Zhongxin University, China Medical University, and other units to perform academic research and technologic platform introduction. Many academic papers, domestic and international patents were published in recent years. In order to maintain public health, KO DA not only produces the best quality traditional Chinese medicine, but also developed the first electronic barcode check system in the world to emphasize on medicinal safety. This system resolves the dispensing error issue, which global health institutions were unable to conquer. Using the system to perform medicine traceability is also patented in Japan, Germany, Australia, and other developed countries. This system not only established a complete medicinal safety net, but also set a milestone for traditional Chinese medicine dispensing to realize the enterprise core value, caring for life, that we consistently insist on. KO DA is rooted in Taiwan, but has the whole world in its view. We have a complete domestic distribution system, and the product quality is recognized by domestic medical centers, such as Chenggong Hospital, Taipei Veterans General Hospital, Kaohsiung Veterans General Hospital, Ziqi, and so on. Moreover, our products are even marketed all over the world, throughout Europe, America, Australia, and Asia. For the past 30 years, KO DA created a brand representing quality, honesty, and innovation under the efforts of all members. We'll be more cautious to operate the layout of the business, which is regarded as the most promising industry in Taiwan's global biotechnology development. KO DA Pharmaceutical inherits and carries forward the treasure of Chinese history earnestly. Our vision is to become the leading brand of traditional Chinese medicine in Asia and benefit the health of all humans. KO DA Pharmaceutical Company deserves your trust.